pack, Duels from the Deep, Yugiohanime, man. I remember this episode, so much nostalgia coming from this episode, man. I'm ready. So yeah, it's not a big pack we have, it's only 5 cards per pack, but we do have a chance at 1 ghost rare, guys. 1 ghost rare here. So yeah, and it says 1 rare card for a pack. So yeah, guys, this is going to be an awesome unopening, and plus, they might not be extremely rare cards, but the nostalgia from these is really awesome. Let's go get this thing open, man. Go ahead and like and subscribe button at the bottom, and let's get it open. Alright guys, go ahead and get this thing open, man. I'm ready. Nostalgia, well of a tale. Let's do it. So I remember some of the monsters in my head, kind of look like. I don't remember the names. I do remember the Duel itself. Great episode, like I said. Yeah, beautiful holographic box. Beautiful. Let's do it the right way. Now, let's get started. Man, I love this artwork. Whew, let's do it. Seahorse. Not in the first pack, really. Sea Angel. Okay, Legendary Fisherman. Okay. Mako's main boss monster, I would say, or his main monster. Okay, Marvel's Rock, Dark Reeve, Doom Kraken. Can't remember if that's new or not, but yeah, that's cool. Drink of Magic, Shark. That looks cool. Seahorse, Shark, some of these. Tribute, Frostosaurus, Giant Hand, even Shark. I got 1 ghost rare. Can we get that one? Cyber Shark. Probably gonna see a lot of sharks here today. I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't look at the set before, so I don't know if everything's in here. So I'm gonna get surprised. Sleepy Maiden. There's good. Okay, that looks fun. Wow. This one. Ocean Dragon Lord. Karyo Shin. That is a beautiful card. Yeah. Yeah. The Legendary Fisherman number 3. So there's 2 good cards on that one. Yeah. Got Magic. Cyber Shark again. Number 2. Okay, there's one. I remember this one, the structure that came out. Yeah, I remember this one. Beautiful card. And then Maris's Spring Girl. Makeup Magic. Sea Stealth 2. I'm loving these artworks, guys, for the sea monsters. Awesome artwork.
Fisherman number 2. Rage of Kaishin. I like to see how these strategies work out with water monsters. I've never actually used a water deck. I have to see how they work. Another, we got a bunch of these. Another one of these. Azure Fisherman again. Fury Kaishin. Race Coral. Anemone. Okay, here's a beautiful one, yeah. Race Dive. Here's one. Here's one Exiles Seas. I think it might be. And there's some new Exiles Seas here, but I can't remember which ones are new exactly. But yeah, this looks new, yeah. For this one. Whale of a tail. Stealth. See Stealth 2 again. Another one of these. Wow, we're getting a bunch of these. Number 3 again. Silent Angler. That might be a big one now. He has Field Spell. The Mirror of the Forgotten City. Twinkle Tributes. Sleeping Maiden. Fisherman. Seventh Eternity. Sleeping Maiden again. Another Forbidden City. Oh wow, okay. That was wow, Mega Fortress Whale. What's the effect on this guy? So you see guys, if is on the field, you can activate this effect. Your water monsters can attack directly this turn, okay, during your opponent's battle phase. Quick effect, you can target one face-up monster your opponent controls, destroy it. If this card is on the field destroyed by battle or card effect, you can either add to your hand or special summon one water warrior monster from your deck or your graveyard. Don't use the effect of that once per turn. Okay, beautiful card guys, beautiful. Mega Fortress Whale. Tribute, Double Fin Shark, a lot of sharks today. Electric Jellyfish, okay. That was good, cool. You can look at the effect guys. You can send one Ami from your hand, deck or face up field to the graveyard, special summon one water monster from your hand. When your opponent activates a monster effect or spell card or effect, all Amis on the field, effect, you can negate that effect, then you can make this card gain 600 attack and defense. Use that once per turn. Okay, that's a so far I think we drew all the ones that are on the artwork you can see outside. Mega Fortress Whale, some other ones. So, I love this new support. Sea Stealth again. So, can we get that ghost rare? Bubble ring. Sleeping Maiden. Echo Tsunami. Seventh Eternity. This one looks special. Variance Chaos Draw. Double Fin Shark. Arena's Princess Dive. I think the set total is 57 cards altogether. Let's see. Nash Knight. Looks cool. Double Fin Shark. Another Forbidden City. Down to nitty gritty, guys. Let's see what counts can we pull. Coral Amani. Shark. Abyss Shark. Okay, see that one coming. Okay, it's really nice. Yeah, Abyss Shark. Here. All right, last one, guys. Let's do it. I always hate it. The last pack always ends so quick. Didn't see that one. Dark Reef. It's in the track card, I believe. Send one face up you control to the graveyard. Special summon up to 2 monsters with different names from your hand or deck that mention or were from monsters. In defense position, then if your opponent controls a monster, you can special summon this any number of level 6 or lower order normal monsters from your hand or deck. Until the end of your next turn, as this card resolves, you can special summon monsters except order monsters. Okay, yeah, solid, guys, solid. Here's the recap. Here's the ones we like the most. Shark, Chaos Draw, Legendary Fish, Mega Fortress Whale, and the Ocean Dragon, Kaishin. I love the nostalgia, guys. It's new support, but it was, man, it's beautiful, guys. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and stay till next time. Thanks.